Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then tap on three dots, then go to settings, and then to the blocked numbers. Tap add a number. So here you can manually enter number which is bothering you. Then tap block, and after that this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.